Okay, we are doing the oil change on the Boxster. We've got it lifted up. I just want to be extra careful. This thing sits pretty freaking low. It's not. This isn't really a how-to video, I guess. Maybe a quick reference, if you will. I popped in the new oil filter already. I didn't go with the man filter. I know the purists are gonna start yelling, but oh well. We're gonna give this a go, but just so you can kind of see what it looks like. It's really easy. Anybody can do it. So you're gonna use a 8mm Allen and break the bolt. Of course, as you can see, the oil's draining. And then the oil filter is gonna go right there. Can't get my finger in the camera. So it just goes right up there. So that's what it looks like. Of course, the oil's still draining a little bit. And then just make sure and place your O-ring on the there, O-ring. Where's it at? There we go. Your O-ring right there. And then just tighten it up. The plastic tells you how many Newton meters, so it's going to go, it needs to be tightened at 27. So just a quick video. It's not really a how-to. Then we've got the Liqui Moly over there. That's what we're going to put in this thing. And then it should be about, I need to check the manual, it should be about 8, I think 8.2 or almost 9. It's a lot, but of course I'll double check it before we top it off, and that's all there is to it.